Presidential spokesperson Faratullah Babar, speaking with Times Now, admitted Zardari's office will need to take a closer look at this case before decision is made on Sarabjit.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सरबजीत का केस खारिज कर दिया है. Now the only hope for him is the presidential pardon. How? What is the legal option apart from?
Right now I would not like to comment on this straight away. Wait for a while. I can't comment.
I just want to know, sir. In your view, do you think that he'll get a presidential pardon?
No, I really can't comment on this right now. Let me see the Supreme Court verdict and let us consolidate the things and then I'll talk. अभी मैं बात नहीं कर सकता इस मुद्दे.
Right, and for more, let's go across to senior journalist from Pakistan now joining us from Islamabad, Imtiaz Gul. Mr. Gul, thanks so much for joining us. Firstly, you heard the case, you know the case. Finally, the Pakistani Supreme Court has dismissed the review petition of Sarabjit Singh, but his lawyer was not even present in court when this took place.
Yeah, I think what we were given to understand that the lawyer was supposed to appear before the court, and then the court also adjourned, giving them a chance for appearance, and eventually he didn't appear, and that's why the three-member bench then gave its ruling.
Right, but this is in India at least being looked at as a kangaroo justice, because how can a lawyer who is representing a person in a life or death case not be there in court? Was there any pressure on him to weaken the case?
At this moment, it's very difficult to say whether the lawyer was intercepted or whether there was any pressure on him. You are right when you are saying that yes, the entire case involves the life and death of a person, and they should have been given adequate chance. We really don't know into the background of these proceedings this morning as of now, and perhaps the court should have given more time and another opportunity to the lawyer.
Right. So, is there any hope now left for Sarabjit Singh? We understand that only now a presidential pardon still remains for him. What are you hearing there?
I think the presidential pardon remains the last resort, the last option for Sarabjit Singh, and I am sure he would exercise this right that is available to him under the Constitution of Pakistan. And one would hope that somehow the Pakistani government, the president also takes into consideration the kind of reaction that execution of Sarabjit Singh might trigger in India. And I think somehow both countries need to sit together, and when adjudicating and when deciding on such issues, I think on both sides there are cases which can trigger unrest, uneasiness in their respective countries. So I think I would really say that both countries need to develop trust, and then also followed by a mechanism under which to address such issues which can, I think, be handled.
The Pakistan government will actually, or the Pakistan president will grant him presidential pardon without asking India for a similar request as far as Pakistani prisoners are concerned. There will be some demand made from the Pakistani side, won't there?
Well, I mean, I can't read the mind of the president, and neither can I speak on behalf of the government of Pakistan, but one would understand, one would presume that whenever such high-profile cases are being dealt with by two states, that there is always a quid pro quo, give and take matter, because it involves like 1.76 billion people, in fact, in both countries, and there are emotions involved. There is also, of course, politics involved. So one would presume that both authorities, both establishments take this into consideration.